And today I'll be teaching you the basics of JavaFX, how to create a circle in JavaFX and how to create a button in JavaFX. First of all, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And so to start a new JavaFX file, we have to go to File, New, and then click on JavaFX application, and then click on Next. And here it will ask you the location where you want to save that file, whether it is the desktop or wherever you want to save. I'll click on desktop. I'll click on Browse, and I'll choose desktop. I can choose C drive, E drive, D drive. I can choose any drive. मैं जहाँ पे भी चाहूँ इसको सेव कर सकता हूँ. I'll choose and after that you have to just click on finish. Now this is a code to uh, open. Now this is a code for a button in Java. First of all, I'll zoom it. I'll make it full screen. I'll go to the taskbar settings. So there are a lot of settings which you can do. For example, you can even increase the font size, you can even decrease the font size in JavaFX. For example, you can go to the options, and from options, if you want to increase the font size, you can increase it. This is Oracle NetBeans which I am using currently. For example, I want to make it 31. I can make it 31. I can click on OK, I can click on apply, and I can click on OK and apply and all that. Okay, so here we go. So import JavaFX dot application. This is a comment which I don't need at present. This is a multi-line comment in Java. I can modify the contents of the comment. I can write something blah 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 in this comment, because anyway it's a comment only, so it will not be counted. After that, import JavaFX dot application. Import JavaFX dot event dot action event. In this program, I am not using any event, so this is an unused command. As you can see in this figure, this is unused import. I can remove this unused import also. This will not affect my code. Import JavaFX dot event handler. I am not using any sort of event in my program, so I am removing this command also. Import JavaFX.scene. Import JavaFX.scene.control button. Import JavaFX.scene.layout.stack pane colon. Import JavaFX.stage colon. This is also a command. I can modify this multi-line command. I can add something. I can delete something. I can do whatever I like with this command, because this command is not counted in this program execution. Public class Java application 3 extends application. This is an inheritance which you are looking at. Overriding, I'm doing overriding over here. So this program is very small and very simple. You don't have to worry about anything in this program. Okay, and the code is very similar to applet or swings in Java. Now public void start stage primary stage stack pane is equal to new stack pane. Bracket open, bracket close, colon, page.getChildren.add new button, okay. Scene.scene is equal to new scene pane. Now this is the dimension of it. 900 by 100. Scene is equal to new scene pane, comma 900, comma 100, bracket close, colon. Primary stage.set title, Kunal Gagneja. Now that Kunal Gagneja will be displayed on the top of that. Primary stage.set scene. Primary stage.show. Public static void main string Kunal G, launch Kunal G. This is a method which I am calling. I am launching that method Kunal G. Okay. Now I'll save on this code and I'll click on the run button. I'll execute it. Let's see the output. Now here is the output. Instead of Kunal Gagneja, I can also write something else. I can even change the dimensions of it. For example, Kunal Gagneja 1. And here I'm increasing the dimensions, for example 200 by 1900. Let's see what happens. I'll save it and I'll run it. This pane has become larger. Now let's see what it is written over here. Deleting C users, Hanuman documents, NetBeans, JavaFX application 3 build, jar properties, deets jar updating property file, C users, Hanuman documents, NetBeans, JavaFX build, jar properties, compiling one source file, C users, Hanuman documents, NetBeans, Java application 3 build classes, compiled directed Java application and version 1.3 launching FX. Tasks from C program files JDK, JRE, lib, ANT, JavaFX warning. Okay, this is a warning. We can ignore the warning safely. Then copying files, executing. So this is the output of it. Now I'll go to the another code. Here in this code, I am making a circle in Java. First of all, I read out the import libraries and then I'll tell you what to do. Import javafx.application.application, import javafx.event.extend import javafx.event.event handler, import javafx.scene.scene. Now these are unused imports. I am removing them, remove unused import. This is also unused import. I am removing it. This is also unused import. I am removing unused imports. So here we are. So this is the minimum which I need to create a circle. Import javafx.application.application, import javafx.scene.scene, import javafx.scene.layout.pane, import javafx.scene.pane.color, import javafx.scene.shape import javafx.stage.stage. Package public class name, this is the class name and this is inheritance extends application. Override public void start stage primary stage. Now this is the starting of the primary stage and this is very interesting. Circle is equal to new circle dot set center x 101 circle dot set center y 101. Now this is the center of the circle. I can modify it. I am modifying it. I can make it 10 comma 10. Circle dot set radius 90. Circle nor radius also I can change. I can make it 9 instead of 90. Okay, I'm sorry. Circle dot set stroke color dot cyan. Circle dot set fill color dot blue. So I am filling the color inside the circle and I am setting the stroke, or I will call it the boundary of the circle. Pane is equal to new pane dot get children dot add circle, scene is equal to new scene pane 901 primary stage set title show circle, primary stage dot set scene primary stage dot show public static void main string args launch args. Instead of args I can write args Kunal signature. Java is case sensitive, mind you. If it is in a capital letter, then it has to be in capital letter. If it is in a small letter, then it has to be in a small letter. Otherwise, you will get error. I'll save it and I am running this code. Now let's see what output I get. I can even change the location of the center of the circle. I can change the radius of the circle. I can change now the dimensions of the circle. Now this is a very small circle. As you can see on the screen, I'll modify it. I'll change the dimensions of the circle now. I have set the radius to 99. Now let us see what happens. I think I need to change the center of the circle now. I can even make this circle much larger. I'll show you how to do it. Radius is, for example, 91. Okay, wait a minute. 199. I'll close the already running program. So that's the output. Now let us see what it is reading over here. Deleting C users, Hanuman documents, NetBeans projects, Java FX application build jar properties. Updating file C users, Hanuman documents, NetBeans projects, Java FX application build jar properties. Now this code has got 3 warnings over here which you can see. So that's all for today, and thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.